A controversy that has erupted after the former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje's photo was removed from the BJP's posters in Rajasthan. Amidst the row over BJP posters not carrying the party leader Vasundhara Raje's image, the former Rajasthan Chief Minister says she aims to rule the hearts of people and she doesn't believe in poster politics.
कि जब मैं पहली दफ़ा मुख्यमंत्री बन के सेकंड टाइम भी जब मैं गई थी एरिया के अंदर स्पेशली जयपुर, वो आपने देखा होगा कितने बड़े बड़े जगह जगह पे मेरे पोस्टर लगाए गए और आपको सबको ये भी मालूम है कि मैंने उन लोगों सबको कहा था उतारो ये सब पोस्टर्स लगा के आपने जो लगाए हैं सब दूर, उस पोस्टर को लगा के आपने मेरे को बढ़ाया नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे आपके पोस्टर्स और मेरे आपके कागज़ों के और आपके बने इनसे पोस्टर्स में मेरी शक्ल देख के ये कुछ होना जाना नहीं है.
Well, yes, very interesting that Vasundhara Raje has finally broken her silence on what appears to be a tug of war within the BJP. Now, just to give you a bit of a context, remember Vasundhara Raje, after she lost the election, had sort of moved out of Rajasthan in one sense. She really was not visible in the state anymore until February this year, when she came back to attend a core committee meeting in the state. Lots and lots of people turned up to line up to greet her. After that, in March, she decided to launch a yatra on the occasion of her birthday in eastern Rajasthan. Interestingly, at that time, a lot of MLAs, district office bearers and people close to her turned up, but the main BJP, the organizational members of the BJP from Rajasthan were not visible at that yatra. And Vasundhara, it was seen somewhere as Vasundhara trying to gain some political leverage, but when she was asked whether it was a show of strength, she said no, it's not a Shakti Pradarshan, but it is a Bhakti Pradarshan. After that, by-elections were held in Rajasthan in April. Again, Vasundhara Raje was not visible during the by-elections. And then in June, it seemed like the infrastructure of the BJP in Rajasthan had got the upper hand, the organization had got the upper hand. They removed all Vasundhara Raje's posters from the BJP office. Interestingly, back in Jhalawar on home turf, to do a survey of flood-hit areas, when she was asked about this, she spoke out very, very clearly, very forthright, and saying that, she wants to remain in the hearts of people, not in posters. But interestingly, it doesn't seem that the factionalism is quite over yet, because though Vasundhara Raje is a vice president, she has not been given an active role in the BJP in Rajasthan. And one of her supporters, Rohitash, who is an MLA from Bansur, he'd also spoken out and said that, there is no other alternative to Vasundhara Raje, and was suspended from the party. So clearly, the knives are still out, and it looks like the factionalism in the BJP still exists. But Vasundhara Raje clearly speaking out, and it means she will remain a force to reckon with in Rajasthan. That's quite clear from her statement. How the politics will play out over the next 2 years is something everyone will be keenly watching.